Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can use a full startup menu. Usually when you open Start, this is how it appears. You can try resizing it, but no matter how you tend to resize it, it won't fit this sides and corners, so setting it's simple. Just start by opening Settings. Then go on Personalization, then this are results you will get. So immediately go on Startup. Now after getting results like this, click on Use Full Startup. So now if you click on Start, you will see that it became full. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.